Disaster preparedness is important, crucial, especially where we live. We live in a geographic location where San Andreas Fault is due for another big earthquake. I know we've been talking about it. Scientists have been talking about it. Like the big one is coming, the big one is coming. We're talking about not 6 point something or 7 point something. We're talking about the 8th, the devastating one. So for us, Californians who live here in Los Angeles, especially Los Angeles County, or outside Los Angeles County, in just the greater California, state of California, it's important, it's crucial to be stay prepared. And disaster preparedness starts with having your disaster survival kits, bags, go-to bags in multiple locations, and also your family emergency plan. It is important to develop, assemble those, customized to your household size and lifestyle. And that is what's so important. Stay prepared, proactive, but obviously not paranoid. Because when we're in panic mode, we're going to lose all of those stuff that oh my gosh, I think it's better to stay prepared than not. And that's my message.
Okay, thank you, Nikki.
How are you?
3-day family comes in the bucket. Why is it coming in the buckets? Because you can actually use the bucket also, right? To storage, to portable, and then
because it will. We're just waiting for it. And then guess what? Disaster or earthquake will not say, hang on a minute, Don't come here yet because we're not prepared. But that's not it. And another important keynote on this is that disaster does not recognize who you are, what your title is, your financial status, your age, your gender, all of these things. Disaster will come, it will come. So
for that, the main purpose, right? You can use that for when you have bleeding, like a bandage. Think about it. Yeah, I know it looks gross, but guess what? You're in a dire situation. Who cares? Right?
You know what, guys? You guys are actually looking like, yeah. Look at your left, look at your right now. How about you introduce yourself to each other? Introduce yourself to each other. Mingle! We never know who, you know, who's gonna save your lives. Disaster!
And they still walked outside. I was like, how do you walk outside after this?
Pissed off!
Yeah, he just walked outside. I was like, come on.
What is...
If you want to go over there, you want to conceal yourself, and it's okay. Did you see that?
Let's use group 1 and group 2. I want this to be situational awareness mindset, okay? I want to take you guys out actually on campus, out there, to see what's out there, not just in the classroom. So, take a look at this. Woman, man, child, disabled. We talk a lot about mindset. There are so many different types of mindset: survival mindset, resilient mindset, and all of this. Mindset is therefore the key to our resilience. It is the anchor to our resilience and survival. Both can be applied and should be applied in personal as well as professional world. Preparedness and training are the bedrocks to our survival. I know that I had before in the past an ongoing PPAT, I'll call it, planning, preparedness, assessments and training, PPAT. And those are our best dividends to a successful disaster planning and recovery. All right, so as a business owner, we need to address these questions. Questions such as, how much downtime can you afford to get back up after a major disaster, right? Questions such as, how much will it cost your business to lose that 1 hour, 1 day, even 1 week when your business is too forced to shut down? I talk a lot about this. Now that we are in lockdown, it's been 5 months now. It's so real. So recovery is the key to your sustainability. I'll talk a lot about sustainability also. These are the realities today. I mean, I keep saying there are no sugar coating on this, no glossing on this one, and boom, March 2020. I am an advocate to safety and survival and the founder of IDARE. It's an acronym for integrity, diversity, adaptation, resilience, and empowerment. And it is a registered nonprofit with its grassroots mission and its goal to save lives. That's the bottom line, through disaster risk reduction and sustainability. And this is our organization's DNA. We had helped countless communities and tons of hundreds of families to stay prepared for both natural and man-made disasters.